Let's solve this problem step by step. We need to calculate 2/3 raised to the fourth power. When we raise a fraction to a power, we multiply that fraction by itself that many times. So 2/3 to the fourth power means we multiply 2/3 by itself 4 times. Let's create a visual representation to help us understand what's happening. When we multiply fractions, we multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators together. Let's solve the numerator first. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. Now, for the denominator, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. Therefore, 2/3 to the fourth power equals 16 over 81. Let's verify this makes sense. Since 2/3 is less than 1, when we raise it to a power, it should get smaller. If we convert our answer to a decimal, 16 divided by 81 is approximately 0.197, which is indeed smaller than 2/3, which is approximately 0.667. To summarize, when raising a fraction to a power, we raise both the numerator and denominator to that power separately. In this case, we found that 2/3 to the fourth power equals 16 over 81.